I'm doing section 4.2, so this is on page 98, and it's number 4. I'll be doing E and F. So the instructions are find the missing factors by synthetic division. So starting with E, we see that this is one of the factors of this polynomial. So right away we know that we can factor this into x plus 2 and x minus 2. So we'll do that. Now that we have these numbers, we can take them out of the brackets and we can set up our synthetic division chart. So we'll just set that up. And I'll start with the positive x. I'll start with 2, so we'll be using x minus 2 first. When you take out x minus 2 from the bracket, it becomes x equals 2. So starting with 2, we're going to set it up on top. So we have a 2, 5, negative 11, negative 20, and 12. Make our line a bit longer. So starting with the 2. So we move this down, and it's 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. So remember, you're adding, going down, and then you're multiplying across. So now, 9 times 2 is 18. Negative 11 plus 18 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Negative 20 plus 14 is negative 6. Negative 6 times 2 is negative 12. And then we get a 0. So that means it's a factor, and that's what we were expecting because we knew it was already a factor. So now that we have this simplified a bit more, we can do it again using negative 2 instead of 2. So we're just going to set up another conversion table. Okay. And instead of 2, we'll be using negative 2. So bring down the 2, and it's 2 plus 0, so that equals 2. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. 9 plus negative 4 is 5. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. 7 minus 10 is negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 2 is 6. And then we're left with a 0. So now what we have is we have done synthetic division with this factor. And what we could do is rewrite this as 2x squared plus 5x minus 3, or we could do synthetic division on it again. So I've done this before, so I know that negative 3 is a factor, so I'm just going to use negative 3. Okay, so we'll do it again. Bring the 2 down. So it's 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 5 plus negative 6 is negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 3 is 3, and then we're left with 0. So then now we can rewrite this with all the factors. So we know that x minus 2 is a factor from this. So x minus 2. We know that we know that x plus 2 is a factor, so x plus 2. We know that x plus 3 is a factor because we use negative 3, so x plus 3. And then what we're left with is 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. And that's because 0 0 is the remainder. So this is our remainder. And then working backwards from there, this is -1, and then this is 2x. So now we can write this on top is x plus 3 and 2x minus 1. Okay.